That's all.
No, the CR is confusing.
CR and hits, what is the difference?
CR, right? So it's confusing.
No, actually, basically, hit is only a correct response. That's why that is.
So percentage of hit.
Now it is not a hit.
Right?
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sure, huh?
Yeah.
Everybody here? Agree?
Yes.
60, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
50%.
50, huh?
No.
30, 60, 90 la, sir. Correct, huh? This is how. If you get 1 also, same way you will do. If you get 10 also, same way only you will do.
I'll read out the aim of this experiment and
They are not bothered about the correct rejection or anything. They are only considering
Inference.
aim and hypothesis.
What is the aim of this experiment? Anybody by heart? Okay.
Ability of a person to
Very
detect
good.
the signal.
To study the participant's ability to detect signals or the subject's ability to detect signals. So aim itself says, so the person or the subject should be able to detect the signal. Okay, that's the aim. So what is the hypothesis? Now, let me tell you, when you are writing the introduction, that is when you are writing the discussion part, start with the introduction. What it all will comprise in the introduction? You will start, this signal detection was introduced by so and so. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 advantages or 1 or 2 disadvantages you can take. That will be your introduction part. The introduction also carries some marks. Okay, and then you will start with the aim of the experiment. Now, aim, hypothesis, plan, instructions, procedure, materials has to be the same way. Okay, you cannot change the words or you cannot write it in your own words. It has to be the same because these are standardized procedure. Okay, if you change the standardized procedure, then you will not have value or the experiment will not have value. Then you have to standardize your procedure, get it rectified and then comment it. Are you understanding?
And IAM thereafter hypothesis.
Okay, that is there in PPT. You just listen to the hypothesis now. Okay, now the hypothesis, you will write the aim, hypothesis, everything you will write, till points of discussion you will write. Then put the table. Okay, how ma'am has shown the same table. What your subject has got, you have to write the table. After writing that, you will write again. You will start with the socio-demographic details. What do you mean by socio-demographic details here?
Of the
Person's initial or where they are working, age. This much is enough. No, you're not required to take what is their salary. That all is not required. You just collect only this much information and then you write this experiment was conducted on AA. Okay, at this time, aged so and so in this particular place. And then you will write the aim of the experiment was to detect the identify or participants' ability to detect signals. Okay, that much you will write and then you will start. In series 1, AA has scored so and so in hits, so and so in miss, so and so in correct rejection, so and so in false alarm, and then percentage of hits. Okay, and then you will write in second series also, and then you will come to the hypothesis. The hypothesis reveals that the percentage of hits in signal detection increases with the proportion of the occurrence of the signal. So, if the subject has scored more in the second series when compared to the first series, then the subject is proving the hypothesis in the second series. Now, hits were more in the first series. Here we got only 10%. Is he proving the hypothesis? No. Is disproving the hypothesis. So you will write that the subject has disproved the hypothesis, which says the percentage of hits in the signal detection increases the proportion of the occurrence of the signal is being disproved. So subject, what has happened in the first one, he was able to concentrate more. The hits were more here. Over here the hits were very less. Henceforth the percentage of the hits has reduced. So he has disproved the data. This much you will write, keep a full stop. Then in the conclusion what you will write? Therefore, the subject AA has proved or disproved the hypothesis. Again you will mention the hypothesis, put a full stop over. Any doubts you have regarding this? he can prove or disprove. For the second one, he will definitely prove. Because there is going to be the amount of significant difference. No, one subject only. One subject, how many ever hypotheses there, you conduct on the same person only. You will not change it.
What is the second hypothesis, ma'am?
Individuals differ in their ability to detect signals. See, my signal detection ability is different. Yours is different. The person, might be listening to music. He would not have seen the signal over there, red signal. Or it bumped into the car. Then they will fight. Right? They will ask you, can't cancel one signal is open to the then say, illa, can't still. Like that. Nowadays, see, many accidents you would have seen, they went on that person itself. Why means, again, he was not having a signal detection ability. Can't leave it only till there.
You won't be in his senses also, man.
So that is why, when you drink, don't drive. You won't have the signal detection ability. Yes.
So that means second hypothesis we cannot prove with this experiment. Because individuals differ in their ability.
In the table itself.
I'm asking.
See, he will see all the false rejection correctly. It is not possible. One or two, the person might fail. Now, individual to individual. See, if you are giving it in a group, then individual, like that you can take. Otherwise, from the table, one table to the second table, there will be a variation. You cannot have the same at all. We cannot, say everything was correct. It is not possible. Yes, in this table only, compare and write. This is the way you have to write the discussion for all the experiments. Okay, thinking also, psychophysics also. Yes, there were tables, right? First table and second table.
Yeah.
So first table is how much hits he has got. Second table, how much hits he has got. If at all, if you were to take a group table and write, yes, definitely individuals will differ. But here we are not giving you the group table.
Series to differ.
So here it's only from series to series.
Yes, in series you can compare and you can say.
Between series.
Now see, if you say individuals differ, this is actually for a group. Here we are not doing in group, that is why we are not giving the group.
Same person's ability in series 1 and series 2 differ.
Yes.
So if you go back to this record, you have group table and group discussion, and along with it you also have graph. You can ignore those things because we are not taking
Graph
the
and you
values
don't
of
break your head, there is no graph.
We are not supposed to maintain some kind of a